Hello everyone, Babenche here. Today I'm going to unbox and review a capture card from Fifine Ampligame V3. So it's gonna be a change for my previous capture card, this piece of nonsense, because it's the worst capture card I even found on the market. This is literally cheapest. So now I'm thought to make an upgrade. So let's unbox it. Okay, not interesting. And whoa, it's not so heavy. It's plastic, but at least it has port HDMI out. I can connect to a monitor without using a second port on the GPU, because on this capture card I used two ports on the GPU, one to monitor and second to this capture card, because connecting only to a second PC with this capture card is literally impossible to play, because input lag is very high. And what is here? Oh, it's USB-C cable. Yes, it's USB-C cable to connect to PC. Yeah, completion not that much. Yeah, it's USB 3 to USB-C here, PC out. It's looks like it's empty inside based on the sound. Okay, I think the most interesting part is comparing the quality. Let's go. Okay, so I connected everything and I barely got a heart attack because of the quality. What is happened? So I connected with one HDMI, so it's coming from the GPU here. One HDMI here, and it's going here. Now second HDMI connected here and to the monitor here, and USB-C to notebook. And let's start recording. And quality of is really bad, and I'm gonna tell why it's bad and how to fix that bad quality. All because the hertz rate, the hertz of your monitor. So my monitor supports up to 144, but I use 120 because monitor itself a little bit broken. So if I set to, let's start recording here. If I set to 60, changes, quality is all right. Let's see this Audacity logo. All right. When I saw the shittest quality, I thought how to make I forgot the word. return to the store this. But in this mode everything is good, but 60 Hz on the 120 Hz monitor is meh. So I gonna to use like a old my method with second connector, display port to the GPU. Let's unplug no, this, yes, HDMI out. Unplug out display port. Now it's much better, and in display settings extend these displays extend, and now the quality is good. So let's go to the games. So first what I want to test, it's Horizon Forbidden West. It's super detailed game, and with this capture card everything goes pixelated just. What about? Yeah, it's really better than this Techly capture card. What about Cyberpunk? And that capture card have lower noise, because Techly, you can clearly see noise on the Techly. Oh, that was cops? Really? Or no? And next I tried to configure the sound output and unplugged the capture card from my laptop while Cyberpunk was running. As a result, Cyberpunk bugged out. Even though I set the capture card to 60 Hz, switching to the Cyberpunk resulted in a lower quality, due to the game is just changing it to 120 Hz. But when I changed my main monitor to 60 Hz, everything looked fine. My main 120 Hz and HDMI to USB 60. And with Forza everything is fine. Forza Horizon looks good. Yeah. And here is everything fine. So why it works like that in Cyberpunk? Yeah, I had to watch with some patience when recording tests to not record in the bad quality. Okay, I think I can end the video, but in the end I'm gonna show the comparison with this capture card. How this capture card perform, how this perform, and how perform recording in the ShadowPlay. In conclusion, the Fifine Ampligame V3 is a low-tier capture card, but it delivers surprisingly good image quality. Unlike the Techly, it doesn't suffer from color shifts, noise or artifacts, while the refresh rate issue is something to consider. Overall, this capture card met my expectations. Bitrate also plays a big role in image quality. Here I compare 15K versus 50K bitrate to highlight the differences. Hopefully, this review gave you all the insights you need about this capture card. If you found this helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and check out my other videos. See you next time!